Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Doc you want to alter and ensuring you can edit it. This avoids permission errors. Once done, enable the Bad Translator extension or add-on in Chrome and confirm it appears in the toolbar. Make a duplicate of the document as a safeguard so you can compare results and revert if needed. This first step sets a controlled environment and prevents accidental data loss while you run noisy, iterative translations. You now select the text to be processed, either a portion or the whole document, because precision matters for mixed language content. Then pick your language chain. Short cycles keep meaning. Long, varied chains produce stronger artifacts. Set iteration count and speed. Fewer passes preserve more original meaning, while more passes increase humor or error. You should preview on a small section to confirm the effect and tweak the chain. Until you run the translation sequence and monitor progress. Most tools show status or logs so you can stop mid-run if results go off course. Once finished, compare the transformed text with your backup and copy over only the sections you want to keep, because automatic overwrites can ruin formatting. If something fails, clear the browser cache, restart Chrome, and reauthorize the extension. These steps resolve most permission or hanging issues. Finally, save a final copy and document the language chain used for reproducibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.